Last class we discussed the second result, and today we will be discussing the first result. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha beta is c by n. And what are this a, b and c? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So let us verify our result first using a polynomial. So this is the quadratic equation we saw last class. So let us use this equation to verify our result, since we already have the roots. 5x square minus 8x minus 4. So let us verify here. So the roots are already given. So let alpha is 2 and beta is minus 2 by 5. So what does our result say? That alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha into beta is c by a. And we had our polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So now we know alpha and beta. Let us also write down a, b and c. A is the coefficient of x square. So if you compare here, a is 5, b is the coefficient of x, so b is minus 8, and c is the constant term, so c is minus 4. Now let us verify. Alpha plus beta is 2 plus minus 2 by 5. So if we take the LCM as 5, because this is 2 by 1, so it is 10 minus 2, so which is 8 by 5. And if you check out minus b by a, that is minus of minus 8 by 5, which is also 8 by 5. So our result stands true. Now for alpha into beta, we have 2 into minus 2 by 5, which is minus 4 by 5. And if you check out c by a, then it is minus 4 by 5 as well. So we have verified the second part as well. So now I will give you a question where we will see how we apply this result. So suppose a polynomial is given to you, ax square minus 6x minus 6. And it is given to you that alpha into beta, that is the product of the zeros, is 4. And the question is to find a. How will we go about this? Now when we compare here the coefficients, then we get to know two values, but the other values we do not get to know. For example, you see this coefficient is a, that again if you take up your ax square plus bx plus c, then you get to know b and c values are given. So you can write, how will you start your solution? You will write, let alpha and beta be the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay. Then we already know our result, that alpha into beta is c by a. Okay. Now alpha into beta, why we took? Because alpha into beta is already given to us, so we have taken alpha into beta. So alpha into beta is c by a. Okay. Now alpha into beta is 4, which is given. Okay. So which implies that 4 is c by a. Now you already know here that c is the constant term. Now you have to write what c is. So you will be writing here that c is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. Please mention here, because otherwise we do not know what b is, what c is, and what a is. Okay, now here if you compare, we already told you that we do have the value of b, which is minus 6, and c is also minus 6. So we will be writing 4 is the constant term, which is minus 6 by a, and we had to find a. So again a is minus 6 by 4, which is minus 3 by 2, and this is your answer. So that was all for today. Thank you very much for watching.